You want to learn useRef in 90 seconds? Here we go. The useRef hook allows for the creation of a mutable object that will keep the same reference between renders. It can be used when you have a value that changes. It's like setState, but the difference is that it doesn't trigger a re-render when the value changes. For example, if we tried to build a counter button with useRef, we could reference the current count by calling count.current. That being said, when we click the button, the count would never change in the UI because useRef doesn't trigger a re-render like setState does. That can be useful when you need a mutable value, but a more common use case for useRef is to get HTML elements from the DOM. We could start by creating a null reference called boog button. Then, connect it to the raw HTML button using the ref attribute. From there, we can reference the HTML button in a function to call native DOM APIs like click in this example, which would programmatically click the button. The bottom line is that when you need to get an element from the DOM, useRef is the hook you're looking for. What if you want to share or scope values throughout the entire component tree without using Redux or prop drilling? You can learn how to use this hook in 90 seconds by watching my use context video next.